Yo, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. This is like my fourth time trying to record this video. For whatever reason, the enemy don't want me to get this video out. For whatever reason. I recorded it 2 times on my camera. Came out mad blurry. I recorded it a 3rd time on the phone. And out of nowhere, the video just stopped. For whatever reason, they don't want me to get this message out. But we ain't gonna let that stop us, right? If you're a part of the 300 to Freedom movement, you know we don't let shit stop us. If you're a part of the 300 to Freedom Academy, you know we relentless towards our dreams and our goals. So I'm back on this video for the 4th time. You ain't see the first 3 times that I try to shoot the same fucking video over and over again, but we don't care. We gonna keep going no matter what life throws at you. No matter how many times you get kicked down, you gotta keep getting back up again. That's what life is about. That's what success is about. It's about dusting yourself off and trying again. Rest in peace to Aaliyah. But this is your boy Jon Belcher, aka Jadiscreet. As you should know by now, the name Jadiscreet is my stage name because I make rap music. By the way, if you like hip hop music, make sure to go check out my music on any streaming platform: Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, Boomplay. It don't really matter what music streaming platform you got. Check out my music, give me feedback, let me know what you think about it. I would really appreciate your thoughts on that and your feedback. It don't care if you feel like my music is good. It don't matter if you think my music is trash, if you think my music is whack, if you think it's great. I would love to hear your feedback on my music. But without any further ado, we're gonna get back into the topic at hand. Like I said, this is the 4th time I'm doing this video, and we're gonna talk about 4 reasons why a woman play mind games. We're gonna talk about 4 different reasons why women play mind games. Now, I feel like I'm qualified to talk about this topic mainly because I've had my fair share of experiencing talking to women, going out with different women, you know, having situationships with different women in my life. I've experienced having relations with women of different races, different colors, different sizes, shapes, you name it. So I've experienced all kinds of psychological strategies being done on me. I've experienced all kinds of tactics. I feel like at this point I damn near saw it all, right? So the first reason why women play mind games, or why a woman may potentially play mind games with you fellas, is probably because you ain't meet her in person yet. You probably met her on a dating website, and for whatever reason, you expecting her to be just real with you, and you expecting her to be upfront and genuine with you. But to be real, women need an emotional connection to take you seriously. And it's harder to establish that emotional connection through an app like Instagram or through a dating website. So she probably just ain't meet you in person. So what she's judging you off of is really a facade or a representation of you. So your Facebook profile or your Instagram profile, that's not you, right? That's not who you really are. That's a representation of who you are. It's a facade of who you are. It's something that represents you, but it's not you. So I would recommend taking that woman out on a date, going out with her somewhere to get to know her on a realer and a deeper level before you assuming that she playing mind games, right? Because she might just play mind games for the simple fact that you haven't met her in person yet, and she don't have no emotional connection to you whatsoever. The second reason why women play mind games is, I'ma just call a fucking spade a spade. I ain't gonna be on no dodo bird shit and waste your time. If you've been following me long enough on this YouTube channel, by the way, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell button so you could be notified whenever I drop new videos. Also, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. But if you've been following me from when I had the long hair, the short hair, back when I was a part of affiliate marketing companies, to talking about law of attraction, talking about making money online, all the way to currently with, you know, kind of this rebrand that I got going on, then you know, through all of those phases, it don't matter what phase we talking about, through all of those phases, you know that I'm gonna keep it real with you. you know that I'm gonna be honest with you and I'm gonna share with you valuable information that can help you out in your life. So I'm gonna just be real with you, and I ain't gonna sugarcoat shit when I say this. If she's been playing mind games with you for a while and you already took her out to eat, you already took her out to dinner multiple times, you've had multiple outings with this woman, right? It's not like only one time you took her out. 9 times out of 10, she really not into you the way that you think she's into you. I just gotta be real with you, bro. I don't wanna waste your time, bro. If she playing mind games, an extensive amount of mind games with you, she probably not feeling you the way you think she feeling you. She probably not feeling you the way you think she feeling you. Just being real. And the reason why I say that is because I don't know about you. I don't know about y'all fellas watching this video right now. But from my personal experience, from my experience with multiple different women that I've had in my life, not saying all of them were all interested in me and every woman I've spoken to wanted to mess with me. That's not true at all. That's far from the truth. But every woman that was interested in me, or every woman that did genuinely like me and fuck with me, they ain't play no mind games like that. You know what I'm saying? They ain't really beat around the bush. They wasn't playing no ring around the rosy game. They wasn't playing no hide and seek game. They wasn't playing no yo-yo wrap around the dude around they finger game with me. They was being open, honest, and genuine with my ass. So if y'all been talking for a while and she's still playing mind games with you, she probably just ain't into you the way that you think she's into you. Because women, when they know what they want and they like what you offering them and they like hanging out with you and they like your presence, they ain't gonna play no mind games. She ain't gonna play no mind games with you. She gonna be direct with you. She gonna be keep it 100 with you. She gonna be genuine with you, and she probably gonna know she wants you before you know you want her. That's been my experience in life. You know, I can't speak for every other guy out there, but when a woman likes me, she keep it real and she keep it a band, and she tells me, and there's no mixed signals. I don't gotta play the guessing game. I don't gotta do the fucking multiple choice. I don't gotta, do all of that bullshit. You feel what I'm saying? So that's the second reason. The third reason why a woman might play mind games with you is because she ain't really over her ex yet. Or she ain't over her baby father yet. Or she still got a situationship going on the side that she not telling your ass about. But she keeping it a secret for whatever reason. She don't want to be open and honest with you about somebody else that she really, 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 really likes. And you probably just the dude on the side that she talked to when she fucking bored, or when, she about to go to sleep or some shit, or like right after she put on her fucking bonnet and the dude that she's still in love with, he out with his friends doing Lord knows what, but you the guy that she uses to pass time with. You know what I'm saying? Like, you the guy that she uses to have stupid little conversations with, but she don't really mean nothing by it. Like, that could be another reason, like, why women play mind games, is because there's another dude outside of you that she's more interested in. And if you sense that that's what it is, bruh, you need to cut her off ASAP. You need to get rid of her ASAP, dog. You need to, tell her, shorty, go to the side, shorty. Like, go over there. Like, get the fuck out my face. That's how you gotta be. For real. If you get or if you don't want to be so mean, if you don't want to be so mean, what you could do is, you could be like, look, I like you, but you seem like you got other things going on in your life, shorty. You seem like you got other things going on in your life, woman. You should probably figure that out before messing with me. Or you should probably close that book before you think about opening another book with me. Because I'm being genuine with you. I'm being honest with you. And you ain't being real with me. So sometimes, fellas, you got to be the same mind game she playing on you. You can't be there being genuine and being real and being open and honest with her while she's sitting there playing fucking mind games with you. Hell no, you can't be doing that. you got to be playing the mind games that she giving you. Remember, it's about reciprocation. So if she's playing games with you, my dude, play games with her ass back. Because that's the only way she gonna respect you. If you being honest and you being genuine and you being straightforward, you are going to lose, my dude. You gonna lose, bro. You gonna lose, bro. You gonna look stupid in the end, bro. So if she playing mind games with you, play mind games with her. She taking 2 hours to respond, you take 3 hours to respond. And it's sad that you gotta do this shit, but when some women think she could play, when they think they could play with you, sometimes you gotta show them like, yo, dish out what you want to receive, you know, do unto others as you want done to you. We all learned that, right, as kids, but maybe she haven't learned that fucking lesson. I don't care how pretty she is. I don't care how bad she is. I don't care how much money she make. It's about respect at the end of the day. It's about respect at the end of the day, my dude, bruh. It's about respect at the end of the day. So if she not showing you no respect, then you gotta put her at the same level she putting you at. Fuck all that. So that could be the third reason why, you know what I mean, she not showing you, you know, she playing mind games with you. That could be the third reason. And the fourth reason why she could be playing mind games with you is because she feel like you display a lot of feminine energy. If she feel like you a bitch and you supposed to be a man, then she not gonna feel like you could protect her. And she gonna yo-yo you around, play with your ass, dangle a fucking a carrot in front of your face. She gonna be there teasing you. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna know when she being honest, when she being fake. You ain't gonna know when she being serious, when she playing around. You don't wanna be playing those type of games, right? You don't wanna be playing those type of games. You don't got time for that. We on a mission to get this money. We on a mission to get rich. We don't got no time to be playing with no fucking woman who don't know what the fuck she want. So if she playing mind games with you, it's probably because you not pressing her as a man. It's probably because you ain't letting her know, yo, shorty, don't fucking play with me. Don't play around me. Don't joke around me. I'm not that type of dude. You know what I mean? Until you check her ass, she gonna keep playing with you because you're displaying feminine energy, and that tells her that she could play with you like that. That other dude that she going home with late at night and getting her back blown out by, I bet you she ain't playing no fucking games with him. I bet you she ain't playing no games with him. I bet you when he speaks, she listen. You know what I'm saying? So understand that as a man, you gotta be a man, because on a subconscious and energetic level, if a woman, especially, you know, a feminine woman, if she's, which that's what she more than likely is naturally, right? If we talking about women, you know, the women species, she's naturally feminine. So what balances that feminine energy is masculinity. So you got to be displaying masculinity, because on a subconscious and energetic level, that's what she wants to balance her out. That's what's going to make her feel safe. That's what's going to make her feel protected. That's what's going to make her respect you. That's what's going to make her not play mind games with you, is if you really displaying masculine energy where she feels that she could surrender, where she feels like she could submit. Let me not say surrender. That's the wrong word. I meant submit. If she feel like she could submit to you, it's because you're emitting a high enough masculine energy where she feels like she can. So she ain't gonna be playing that much mind games with you if she feels like you're giving off masculine energy. Now, if you being a bitch made dude and you always crying, you always bitching, you always worrying, you always fearful, you ain't confident, you second guessing yourself all the time, you too timid. If you're displaying those feminine emotions, she gonna be playing mind games with you because she looking at you like you a woman like her. You feel me? So sometimes you need to check her. Sometimes you need to correct her. Sometimes you need to put her in her place. Sometimes you need to, like, yo, press her. Like, yo, what was this about? Why you did this? Why you did that? And you don't gotta do it as no bitch. Do it strong. Do it head on. Ask her for real. Like, yo, what's up with this? Why you moving like that? Yo, what happened to you last night? Yo, why this? Why that? Yo, what was that? You know, you gotta check her so that she knows she not to play with you like that. Now, some women watching this video, they may not agree with what I'm saying or like what I'm saying, because they might feel like I'm giving men too much fucking game. I don't give a fuck. This is the real, because I've been in that position where I've dealt with a woman who is playing mind games with me. And let me tell you right now, let me tell you from experience, it's not a good feeling. It's not a good feeling, bruh. when you're dealing with a woman and you being real with her, you being honest with her, you being genuine with her, and she over there fucking playing around, joking around, playing mind games. You know, you don't want that as a man. But from my experience, 9 times out of 10, if she's feeling you, there should be no mind games. She ain't gonna be playing no mind games with you. That's point blank, period. If she likes you, but you can't have a proper assessment of whether or not she likes you if you ain't take her out, right? You gotta take her out, get to know her a little more before you can assess that she's playing mind games with you. But you know what I mean? Like she might play mind games with you if she feel like you a fucking trick. If she feel like you gonna buy her everything and she don't gotta do shit, she don't gotta give you shit in return, she don't gotta reciprocate shit, then yeah, that's another reason why she might play mind games. I know I said 4 different reasons, but we going on to 5 reasons. You could consider this 5th reason a fucking bonus. You know what I mean? Now, I don't know everything as far as women goes in relationships, but I know a lot from my experience. So I wanted to share this information with you fellas. Shit, you might find this information to be valuable to you if you're a woman who likes women, or if you might be in the lesbian field and you might like women. That's cool, right? Watch this video again. Watch this video a few times, but you know what I mean? That's it. Those are the reasons why a woman might play mind games with you. It's all about the energy you putting out. Make sure to drop a like. Give me a like on this video. I would appreciate it. Drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on maybe a woman that have played mind games with you. Let me know your experience. I really appreciate the feedback because I'm sure other fellas out there could read your comments and really be empowered by your comments. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel, baby. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. Help a brother out. You know what I mean? So whenever you subscribe, whenever you hit the bell button, you'll be notified whenever I make new videos, and that's real good for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps out my channel. So I would really appreciate that if you also subscribe to my channel. And last but not least, before we go, right, share this video with 5 people you know who need to watch this video. I'm sure there's a lot of fellas out there, a lot of people out there who needs to see this video. Share this video with 5 people you know. I know I'm giving you more red pill information, but it's just a fact, right? That feminine energy yearns for that masculine energy, even when she may not say it, even when she act like it's not true. Let me tell you, on a subconscious, energetic level, that feminine energy loves that masculine energy. This is your boy, Jay Discreet, aka Jon Belcher, or Jon Belcher, aka Jay Discreet. Check out all the links in the description below to get connected with me. You already know what it is. All the links, Instagram, Facebook. I'm up to 14,000 subscribers on Facebook. Well, followers on Facebook. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, we going to the top, baby. 300 to freedom. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace. I love y'all.